I connect that output to, knowledge, to folks that can use that output to apply it to something, and you're creating a system.
It's two concepts. It's two axes. It's the likelihood of something occurring and the consequence of something occurring, or impact. A unit that is moderately loaded, that has good condition and overall history, has a lower likelihood of failure than a unit with a poor or unacceptable condition in various parameters like moisture, or it's experiencing fault conditions. And we are looking to move those points back closer to mild and unlikely.
They're only pieces of the puzzle. It does require sort of the good old, blood, sweat, and tears.